Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the group as an admin and locating the Members tab. This is where roles live. Once on Members, type the moderator's name in the search box to surface their entry quickly. Make sure you actually have admin status. If not, you cannot change roles. While you're here, glance at any recent role changes or pinned admin notes so that you understand context before acting. Next, click the three dots beside the moderator's name and choose the Remove or Downgrade option. Facebook phrases vary, so look for Remove as Moderator or Change Role to Member. You do this to revoke moderator powers while keeping the account in the group if desired. Once you select the option, confirm in the pop-up. Facebook may ask why, so provide a brief reason if prompted. This updates permissions immediately and logs the change for admins. Finally, verify the update by checking the members list and the activity log to confirm the moderator no longer has privileges. If the change does not apply, first refresh the page and clear your browser cache, or try again from the Facebook mobile app. Often a sync issue causes delays. If it still fails, use another admin account to reproduce the action and capture screenshots. Then contact Facebook support with those details so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.